Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Amy look, and as you noticed, it's different. So I moved things around, made it look different, but I'll talk more on that later. Anyway, here's a picture of the look that was requested. If you can't recognize it already, here you are. Okay, that is the picture that I based the look on. By what I can see, these are the colors I think she was wearing, as close as I can get them to the same, to the same look, same color, same matching eye look, yada yada. Anyway, if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used the Better Together palette, Too Faced, and the Zulu by Juvia's palette, my usual concealer, Tarte blush, and L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara, Clay Crush lipstick by Maybelline, and Willow lip liner from Wet n Wild. Here are the brushes listed out. Alright, let's get started. Getting that concealer. And as usual, applying it all over the eyelid. And then patting it down. Next, starting with the Better Together Too Faced palette, we're going into the Better Together shade. With a blending brush, I patted this eyeshadow on the eyelid, slightly above the crease. Making sure I fill in those lines and making sure it's well covered. Okay, now with a small blending brush, I'm going to blend it out. Now grabbing the Zulu Palette by Juvia's, we're going into this shimmery, kind of turquoise blue shade, and with a precision brush, which is a really tiny, small pointed brush, I'm applying it in the inner corner and the outer corner. Okay, back to the Better Together palette, and this time with a flat smudge brush, going back into the Better Together shade, we are lining underneath the eye. And we're also going to apply a little more along the lash line and kind of blend it with the turquoise with that brush. Okay, mascara time. I didn't really see any eyeliner in the picture, so I went straight to mascara, but make sure your eyelashes are well coated, top and bottom. Okay, putting that away, and now for blush. Just patted it on right on the apples of the cheeks. As far as I can tell, that's where her blush was applied. Now for lip liner, Willow from Wet n Wild. Just line the lips and apply the lipstick. Putting that away, and the look is done. Alright, that is the look, and the final result should look something like this. A little different on you because your face is different, but if you want to know how, to replicate that look, there you go. It's pretty simple and fun at the same time. Yeah, and I also did the whole hairstyle, which I used whatever I have because I don't have exactly the same things. So yeah. Anyhow, don't forget to give my video, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, so you can keep up with all my Amy Lee makeup tutorials, my vocal covers, my music tracks, and new family vlogs that I will talk about in the bloopers. Alright guys, and until next time, rock on. Is this thing on? Yes it is. To check that my mic's on, because last time I recorded and it wasn't on, or it died, and I had no idea that it died, and I was recording and the whole thing was mute. That's not fun. So I had to go ahead and redo the whole thing over. I think it was in a voiceover for my last makeup tutorial. I had to do the voiceover like 3 times because of interruptions and because of the mic, and that's never fun, let me tell you. It's not fun. Anyhow, if you haven't seen it yet or have no idea what these new videos are that I'm posting on my channel, yes, I have started vlogging for my family. There's different reasons why I did it again. First one, actually my son, Javier, the redheaded kid, he's been asking me that he wanted us to record and, you know, to have like YouTube Kids vlog thing that they wanted to do. Yeah, so I used to vlog before and I had a separate channel for the vlogs, but I had a really hard time managing 2 channels and everything else that I have to manage in my life. So I got really overwhelmed and I stopped. But then, you know, I still recorded my kids, and actually my sister, who recently started vlogging again as well, inspired me because she said something that, you know, really made a lot of sense. She records her kids too, I record my kids, but then these videos just like kind of pile up. They get sent to the back and you never go back and watch them, even if you have, you know, videos just for your family. So
Mommy, forgot popsicle on it.
oh,
I
really?
want popsicle again.
Again? Okay, give me a second. I'll be right there, okay? What was I saying? Yeah, so anyhow, in YouTube, like, you take the time to edit these videos and they're on a playlist, you know, they're all nicely organized, so anytime you want to go back, you can watch them. I have family members that live far away who can also keep up with the videos, so that's another reason why that would be a good idea. I know my channel is mainly music and makeup, but I changed it. Now it's makeup, music, life. Just to tie it all together and to add more elements that are a part of me. This is a part of me. It's my life, you know, my kids. It's what you don't get to see. You get to see the makeup and all the music stuff, but you don't get to see my life. So now I get to share that with you. For those of you who voted on Instagram, it was the majority of people that said yes, and the comments that I've gotten have been good feedback, so I'm really glad. And of course, you don't have to watch them. There's always just the makeup and the music, or just the makeup, whatever you like. I have different flavors for different people on my channel. Anyhow, that's exactly what I wanted to talk about, or exactly what I wanted to talk about. Did that even make sense? Sometimes, like, my thoughts, they run so fast that I can't get them out of my mouth fast enough, and my mouth can't keep up with articulating things or saying them the right way. But that is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So it's not like a complete shock to those of you who don't follow me on Instagram and have no idea that this was going on. Or if you're new to my channel and you're watching this tutorial, now you know. Yeah, that is it. That's what I had to share with you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys like I hope you guys like my tutorials. That is very common with me. I get tongue-tied all the time. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I hope you enjoy them, my crazy life, and all my kids, and the things that we do. And yeah. I said yeah like 100 times, huh? I know I did. I know I did. I know. I hear myself. I hear myself. Trust me. I know exactly how many times I repeat myself. Well, anyway, that's it, guys. Bye.